Good morning from a very cold Christchurch. I believe it's 2 degrees at best out at the moment, just about to see my breath. In today's video, I'm going to make a couple of kids' chairs for my little girls' playhouses. I'm going to make it out of leftover timber from building my deck, which in this case is a hardwood called Quila. I believe it might have some other names around the world, but it's basically a tropical hardwood imported into New Zealand that people mostly use for outdoor stuff. It's ribbed on one side. I was going to try and remove. I've had a quick test before, and it's not as straightforward as I thought. So I'm going to build it out of this material here, and there's 2 reasons I'm building these chairs. First one is the Carpoke Woodcraft Build a Chair Challenge. I've never built a chair before, so when this came up I thought I'd give it a go. And I thought I'd start off with my kids' chairs, which I suppose is the second reason, because I started making over their playhouse in one of the lockdowns we had last year. However, it never really quite got finished, and I think they definitely benefit from a couple of chairs they can sort of throw around while they play out there. So, being that it's my first ever chair I've built, I'm going to keep it quite simple, really rudimentary design with pocket holes. Plus I want it to be quite quick because I've left it late, as is always the way. We're in the back end of May at the moment, hence why it's so cold. Anyway, yeah, let's get into it. Quick update. Excuse my voice. It's now Monday. It's the day after the Champions League final. Hence why my voice has gone a little bit. It's not the Rona. We have tested. Took the day off work today, knowing that I'd be a bit hungover, which is absolutely the right decision. I've just got a little bit more done on the chair. So where it's at now, it's got 4 legs and a frame. I did the glue up the other day for what's going to be the seat, and I've got the 2 slats that are going to be at the back ready to go. I'm going to finish it off tonight. That's the or at least the build of it. Then it'll just be sort of sanding, and it might end up having a bit of a round over in places with the route. I'll see how sharp it is at the end of tonight. I've been absolutely pishing it down all day today. I feel average at best, but I've persevered. Daytime drinking, not always the best decision. So to bookend this video, I've completed one of the 2 chairs. The second one will be in the next couple of days. I've prioritised just seeing one of them all the way through for the sake of hitting this deadline. I'm dead happy with how it's panned out. What I set out to do was make a simple chair with a simple design using leftover hardwood materials, and it looks shit hot. One thing I will say though, I've built these for my 5 and 2-year-old, and I would say that using a dense hardwood as the material that I've built it out of may prove to be a little bit heavy for at least a 2-year-old, which probably isn't bad because my kids are rough. They give their stuff a hard life, so I'm hoping this will stand the test of time too. Thank you for watching the video. This is part of a sort of greater challenge, so I encourage you to follow the hashtag and see what everybody else has been up to. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. I just saw a mouse.